our daily vlog channel instead of my personal channel. Now, this is what we are talking about right here. These are your social media icons. You got your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Spreadshirt, and then obviously your subscribe button. If I click Twitter, our Twitter page will actually populate. So this is super effective and it actually lets your viewers immediately get to your social media platforms. Now, how to add this? To add this feature, you simply just go to this pencil, you hit edit links, and it'll basically take you to a page that'll list out every single one. Now here's the tricky part, and here's something you guys need to understand. The first one that you decide to add will actually be spelled out completely. So if you notice on ours, it says subscribe to become a buncher. If you actually go to our channel, it says that. So whatever one you decide to put there, know that it is actually going to be spelled out. If you put your Spreadshirt account and you put t-shirts, coffee mugs, and more, it's actually going to say that on your page. It'll say t-shirts, coffee mugs, and more. You put Facebook, it'll say Facebook, Twitter, you get the point. Now, the subscribe button is pretty critical. So in order to get the subscription button, you basically have to put in this URL right here, www.youtube.com/subscription_center !add_user equals then your channel name. I'll put this down below so that you guys can get a quick little copy and paste link for it, but that is how you add the subscription button. What that does is pretty much somebody clicks on your page, they immediately get subscribed to your channel. Now, as you can see, this is where you put your URLs. So if you were going to be putting your Facebook page, you will put your Facebook page URL right here and then spell out Facebook. Now you'll notice that you can also choose how many you want to display. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, or in some cases 0. Now you'll notice that we have a lot more than 5, but on the actual homepage of our channel, Daddy's channel, Mommy's channel, and Vine doesn't show up. That is because you actually have to go to the homepage, go back to the About page, and then you'll see them down here. So if you add more than 5, when someone clicks your About page, they will still see them, but they will not be on your homepage. So I hope that answers all your questions, guys. If you have any comments or any questions that you need answered, please comment below and I will surely get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks, guys, and I hope to see you guys again shortly.